Assalamu alaikum, Pakistan. Mera naam Brittany Stewart hai. Aur main Karachi mein Amriki Kanpulkhana ki nai tarjuman hoon. Today I'm thrilled to be at one of the great Karachi landmarks, the historic Nasrwanji building, which was constructed in 1903 and serves as a reminder of Karachi's pluralistic, religious, and cultural roots. The United States is supporting the preservation of this historic building through a 15 million rupees grant so that the future generations can experience the stunning monuments of Pakistan's heritage. It's my first time in this fantastic port city, and I am beyond excited to live and work here, explore the rich culture and history of Sindh and Balochistan, experience folk music, enjoy the spicy biryani, and my favorite, the famed Pakistani mangoes. I am from Texas, and I have previously served in Bangkok and consulted for Save the Children before joining the U.S. Foreign Service. मैं सिंध और बलूचिस्तान की तारीखी मकामात देखने के लिए पुरजोश हूँ। तो आप बताएं मेरी अगली मंजिल कौन से होनी चाहिए?